it going, guys? So we got a 1985 Kawasaki jet ski. It's the 550 SX model. So I bought this off Facebook Marketplace. The guy wanted like $1,200 for it, so I was like, well, and it runs and drives and everything, but it's quite hideous.
Oh! Ew! Dude!
So we're going to basically completely strip everything off and do a complete remodel or facelift on it, to where we have a full decal kit. We're going to repaint it. The entire thing's getting a redo on the exterior. Mechanically it's sound, so I'll pull open this hood real quick. So as we can see here, it's got an aftermarket pipe, a water box. It's got some performance mods done to it. The thing runs really well. Like literally it starts super easy. Listen. Don't want to run it too much because it'll smoke us out in here since it's two-stroke. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and just start stripping it down, getting it to where it's in a paintable position, and well, just get to work and make it look pretty again. So here we go. Guys, it's a different day. I've been doing a lot of work kind of on the side. I didn't really record the painting of it because a lot of people are like, Boris with the paint. Boring. But I finally got the main hull painted, and then painted the handlebars for it as well. So what I'm gonna do is show you the after results of how it actually turned out. And we've got the decal kit coming from it, for it. So I tried to make it as smooth as possible, because anything you see that's on a paint job that's not completely smooth, you'll definitely see it through the decal. So what I'm gonna do is show you exactly how it came out, and then what I'm gonna do is put that decal kit. It should come in tomorrow, I believe. So obviously we're trying to get this all together in just one fell swoop of a video, so that you can see kind of the start to finish, and what it's like to restore an 85 Kawasaki JS 550. So let me flip this around and I'll show you how it looks really quick. So as you can see, it came out super smooth and pretty. I used rattle can, believe it or not. I just used the Rust-Oleum 2X high gloss white, but then I also used the, it's actually called 2X clear. It's actually an automotive clear coat, so I wanted it to have protective, but it's also in a rattle can. So having that protection is always the best thing, because if you have gas spill out from when you're filling it up with gas, like up here, and it runs down the front, all of the paint's gonna come off. So to protect that, that's the whole point of clear coat, so it doesn't ruin the paint job and basically keeps it looking good for years. We didn't really focus a ton on painting this. I just made sure I painted over the edges because this is where all the hydro turf goes, and it goes all the way over the edge here. So all of this is going to be covered by the mat. It's obviously clear coated and painted and protected as well, but we just wanted to make sure it was done right so that it doesn't come off on the edges if we didn't paint it over and above what we should have. But all in all, it came out really nice. I'm gonna go show you the handlebars now. I just got done painting this. As you can see, it's pretty dadgum glossy in the sun. I just painted it about 15-20 minutes ago. So I was able to sand it down and then paint it with the gloss white as well. The reason why I wanted to go with white is the fiberglass underneath is white. So if any scratches do happen, it's not gonna show a different color. And then also it looks best with the undercolor for the decals. So on to the next thing, which is assembly. See you then. All right, so we've got the handlebar mount put back on here. I got the gas cap installed back here. I had to come underneath here and try to get the plate that goes underneath this to back under here because it was a little hard because you can't reach under here. It's real tight quarters, so I had to pull the gas cap off after I installed it, reach under there and push it back up. So we've got the handlebar mount on there. These are the cables that come through. You got the start and stop switches here. Then you have your throttle cable, and then obviously you have the steering. So steering and then throttle cable. So this is a great running ski. I'm excited. So we actually had over here, we had the decal kit come in, which is legit. Look at this. This is freaking sweet. It looks like it's like a dragon theme. So we're gonna put this on today, and I'm super stoked to see how this comes out. We have several parts coming in, so watch as we install this bad boy. It's gonna start transforming like no other. All right, guys, so we've got the ski pretty much getting to the latter end of the build. So what I got in today was the black mats. It's for the hydro turf. So basically you stick this all on this part right here where you kneel. It has an actual mat that you put down, and then you put this mat down on top of it as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that down and then obviously do it all on the sides as well. So without further ado, we'll get it done. Hey guys, we finally got the jet ski finished. This has been broken up over several different days, but it came out real nice. I was pretty happy with the result. I mean, it's pretty cool for a super archaic jet ski, but I mean, it just goes to show you that there's a lot of potential in things that are pretty ugly, like eyesores. And I don't know, I always see something ugly and see the potential in it. So if something can be restored or rebuilt, then why not? You know, take a little bit of a challenge, turn it into a project, and then you kind of have it's a pride thing, you know. And obviously pride isn't the best thing to have, as they so-called say, but taking pride in something that you did, like having an amazing accomplishment, saying, dang, this thing looks like it's showroom worthy. And if you take a little extra time and pay attention to the details, you can make that happen. So that's what I try to focus on. I try to build things and make things better than what they were. Just buying things is boring to me. I love to buy things and build them and then make them better than they were. And if I get bored with them, I sell them. But for the most part, I'm kind of a hoarder. Hang on to too much stuff. But anyways, hopefully these videos can be a little bit of an inspiration for you to start your own projects. Gonna try to make these videos, try to be more frequent. I'm so busy with everything, and I love doing YouTube, but my goodness, you wouldn't believe the amount of editing and time it takes just to put the video together to make it good. So I'm in the process of having my boys, which you've seen in the videos, helping me be the editors and the videographers and things like that, so we can put out more content that's entertaining. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun making it, and I'm really happy with the result. It's a fun ski. I've never ridden a stand-up before. I was kind of clumsy when I went and took it out for a test drive, but I guess, as they say, practice makes permanent, and I'll figure out how to do it. So until next time, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you on the next project.